In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add judge.me reviews to a Shopify product page. If you're looking to boost your store's credibility by showcasing customer reviews directly on your product pages, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through these steps together to ensure that you can highlight these valuable insights easily. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. Once you're at the Shopify login page, enter your credentials to access your store's admin dashboard. By logging in, you're entering the control center of your e-commerce realm where you can manage, modify, and improve your store's interface. Now, it's crucial that the Judge.me app has been installed on your Shopify store. If it's not installed yet, pause this video and download it from the Shopify App Store. Assuming it's installed and ready to go, navigate within the Shopify admin area to the online store section. Once there, select the Themes option. Choose the theme you're currently using and hit Customize. This action will take you to the theme editor where you have the flexibility to alter the appearance and functionality of your store. In this customized environment, locate the icon for App Embeds and ensure it's enabled for your store. This feature allows various app functionalities to integrate seamlessly into your existing setup, making it possible for the Judge.me widgets to appear as intended. Next, head over to the left-hand panel of your theme editor and click on the Sections icon. This is where you can add or edit different elements of your Shopify pages. Dive into the Products section and choose Default Product. This choice will guide you to the standard layout for all product pages in your store, where we'll be planting those all-important reviews. From here, look towards incorporating the Judge.me review system. Click the Plus Add section option. You'll be presented with several widgets offered by Judge.me, such as the Reviews page, Star Rating Badge, or the Review widget. Each option offers a different style and layout for displaying reviews, so choose the one that suits your aesthetic and functional needs the best. Once you've decided on a widget, the feature will appear as a block on your product page layout. Activate your inner designer by dragging and dropping this block to the precise location you desire on the product page. Whether at the top, middle, or bottom, positioning your reviews strategically can influence customer interaction and decisions positively. Finally, save your changes. Simply click the Save button located in the top right corner of the editor to apply these modifications. Now, when visitors navigate to your product pages, they'll see the customer reviews showcased proudly, providing social proof and valuable insights into your products. And there you have it. You've successfully added Judge.me reviews to your Shopify product page, enhancing your store's trustworthiness and appealing to potential buyers with authentic customer feedback.